Hey, it's Heather here. So who would have thought that a luggage rack could be such a beautiful piece of furniture, but this really is. So this is bamboo. This is the color walnut, and I love it. It's so classy looking for a luggage stand, but it's nice and thick. And best part is that it comes fully assembled, and you can tell this is really good quality. It's so easy to open up. It just literally will open right up for you, and then you can place it on the ground. But let me just kind of give you a better look at it. These solve a lot of problems because whether you're just prepping in advance for a vacation, you can have your luggage out, or if you have a guest coming over, you can put one in the guest room. But these do move, so if you have to space them out differently, you can. And then here, I love this rack because it does give you the potential to put another luggage piece down there, or perhaps shoes. And I do have my largest piece of luggage on here, and it fits perfectly. It's nice and stable. So if you're looking for anything like this, I do highly recommend.